This 2026 Grand Design Imagine 2600 RB is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Sanger, Texas, 76266 and is offered for sale by McClain's Longhorn RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Grand Design is 29 feet 8 inches in length and features a Brynlee Teak interior, sleeps 6, leveling jacks, microwave, water heater, refrigerator, TV antenna, awning, LP detector, carbon monoxide detector, self-contained, TV, and 45 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, mid-kitchen, mid-living area, rear bath, U-shaped dinette. The unloaded weight of this 2026 Grand Design Imagine 2600 RB is 6,600 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.